Do you want to reset suggested content on Instagram? You can reset Instagram suggested content with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To reset suggested content on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, at the top right of the profile page, tap on the 3 horizontal line menu. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the What You See section and select Suggested Content. Again, a new screen will appear. At the bottom, you will see Reset Suggested Content. Just tap on it. In the new screen, tap the Next button. Now, review the content and tap on Reset Suggested Content. A pop-up screen will appear. From here, tap on Reset Suggested Content to confirm. Now, you have successfully reset any suggested content that appears on your Instagram newsfeed.